Hello. First, we go onto the web page, which is localhost, and as we open it, we see the registration page, which has the login and sign up options. We can see that the secure connection is present, and on clicking on that, it shows the message that the connection is encrypted and is secure. We have implemented a self-signed certificate. The details of the certificate are as shown. For a new user, we sign up, and this is a sign up page where the rules of the sign up of a valid registration are listed out. First, I try to sign in using something that's not valid as per the rules. Here I've used user1 as same thing as password, but the number of characters are less, so it says that the password is not valid. And for us to get a sign in, we need to have a valid username and password. And I've tried with new credentials, and we can sign in. It redirects to the home page. Here you can see the list of existing games that are open to the users to join, and new games where users can join. A profile button which shows the user profile. I'm trying to and this is a different player signing in. We are trying to create a new game. I will be entering an invalid game name, and as you can see, once I press on start new game, it says the title is invalid, and for it to be valid, we rename the game as per the required conditions. And this is the game board. You see there's like the player count, and it's waiting for a new player to join, and then you see the details of the players. Right now there's only one player, so I cannot start the game. It requires 2 players minimum, and this is the board. So once I hit refresh here, the game that we created pops up, and the second player joins the game. As you can see, it's updated, and there are new different colors, moves left, and the winner is not yet declared. Player 2 tries to start the game. The game starts on player 1's side because he's the first player who hosted it, and player 1 makes his move, and it needs to be done within 15 seconds, and it reflects immediately on player 2's side, and player 2 makes his move again. So this goes back and forth for the next couple of moves. As you can see, the player 2 can't make this move because it's invalid. He has to just select his own color, and that reflects on this side. And player 1 tries to make a move when it's not his turn, so a pop-up message appears that it's not your turn, and we execute a round of moves. And once a bubble bursts, as per the rules, the points are increased and the number of moves decrease every time it's made. There's no winner declared yet because the game can still go on, but as of now we will be forfeiting the game. A pop-up message appears once we try to forfeit, and the person forfeiting goes back to the home page, whereas the person who's still playing the game can see that he has been declared the winner, and it says winner is true, and the game stops. The countdown also stops. Now we go into the user profile by clicking on the button, and here we can see the list of games in an ascending order, the latest game being at the bottom. On the right, you can see the table which has the username along with the row and column move that he has made. So by clicking on the latest game, we see the latest log, and as you can see, this says that the player 1 has timed out, even that is recorded, and player 1 has forfeited. And this goes back, and we want to show you how the admin side of it works. The credentials are entered, and it takes us to the admin page. The admin page profile can see all the games that have been played and all the players who have hosted the games. And on the right, it's the same thing where we have a dynamic table that shows the moves done in each game. The admin has the rights to all the moves throughout the entire game.